you guys? Welcome to another Current Obsessions. That's my very not sexy voice, just so you know. I know I haven't done one in such a long time. I feel like I haven't filmed for you guys in quite a while, and I'll do a video next doing a life update so you guys kind of know what's going on. There's been a lot of stuff that's happened in the last couple months, personally and professionally, so I'll kind of give you an update as to why I disappeared for a little bit, but I'm back filming. And I have all of my favorite obsessions for this month that I wanted to share you guys. I hope you missed me. I've got my coffee in hand that Jody got for me. Thanks, Jody. It's my iced coffee. You guys know I'm not ever going to give up my coffee. Starbucks and me are going to be like this to the grave, so let's just come to terms with that. Okay. So first things first, I went to Neiman Marcus a couple weeks ago. I was just putzing around. I was like, oh, what do you guys have new in this, skincare or the makeup department? And I noticed Armani came out with this whole line. It's their Armani Prima. And it's really cool because they have these primers, these oils and stuff that are great for makeup. My skin has been so dry lately, so what I got is this Nourishing Glow Enhancer Oil and Gel. I gotta give the whole name. Basically, it's a face primer that gives you a very nice sheen to the skin, and it looks so natural. Let me show it for you guys on the back of my hand. It is pricey, I'm not gonna lie. It's not a cheap product. It's one of those kind of luxury things. I wanted to treat myself, so I did. But it's a really pretty primer that just gives this nice silky feeling to the skin. Do you see how it just hydrates the skin if you compare the two hands? And it gives a nice sheen to it. It feels really luxurious. So what I've been doing is putting it underneath my foundation, and it automatically changes the texture to being from matte finish to very satin, kind of natural looking. So I really like this product a lot. I think if you want something as a splurge, just luxurious, your skin's dry, you want to look very dewy and fresh, I love it. It's such an amazing product. I'm really obsessed with that right now. And then a less expensive option that you guys can get, you guys know I love oils. Doesn't matter if you have oily skin, dry, oils are good for everyone. And the one I've been really obsessed with is Rosehip Seed Oil. I got this on Amazon, and before I got the Armani one, my skin was dry, so I put the oil underneath my foundation, or I'll mix it in. So what I'll do is I'll take my Dermablend foundation, I'll put a couple drops on my hand, put a drop of oil, and I'll mix it in with a brush and buff it in. And it gives this very just luminous finish to the skin. It makes me feel hydrated. It never breaks me out. It's such a great oil for the skin. So I love this. I use it in my skincare. I mix it with my foundation, and it's so cheap. You can literally, I think I got it for like 10 bucks on Amazon, and it'll last you a long time. So that's the Rosehip Seed Oil. Then next we have, let's do the hair oil and then I'll show you my skincare. Okay, Davines is a hair care brand that I love. I've been using it for a long time, and I wear extensions. This is all my full hair. It's all extensions, but the ends get really dry because there's no natural oils getting to it, so I have to put oil in. So I really like the Davines. I think it's called Oil. It's a mouthful, but basically it's just a really good thick oil that you can put on the ends of your hair. And what I do is I just are you gonna kill me, Shelly, if I put a little on the ends of my hair? You will? Okay, I won't put any. Shelly did my hair today. Do you guys like it? It's so pretty. I don't want to mess it up. But normally what I do is I'll put some oil on there, and when my hair is wet, I'll put it on the ends of the hair and just brush through it. And once I start brushing through, it makes everything very hydrated. And I even put some on my skin too. I'm going to be all oiled up today, you guys. I'm going to be shiny and slick. But you can use it on your body, your hands, your hair, wherever you want. I don't judge. It smells so good. So it's just a really great oil. They have a travel size, which I got. They have a full size. I usually get it on Amazon, or some salons carry it, and it's amazing. And then Elemis just came out with a couple new products that I love. You guys know I've been using this forever. The Pro. What do you? So as I was saying before, ADT called and trying to pitch me to get stuff in their new house, whatever. ADT. They've been calling me every day. I'm like, dude, you guys get the clue. I have not answered your calls. I have not returned your voice messages. I have not answered your emails. I don't need you. Anyways, back to Elemis. Sorry, it was a bitchy moment. You guys know I absolutely love Elemis. It is one of my favorite skincare. I will be completely transparent though. They did send me a couple items to talk about because they know that I'm such a huge fan of the brand. Everything that's in my cabinet right now I've bought myself because I'm obsessed with this brand. My favorite skincare. But I've been using this for a long time. I'll show you guys because it's almost empty. But it's the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. It is so amazing, you guys. If you have dry skin and you need something that's hydrating, but it doesn't make you greasy, it smells amazing, this is the shiznit. I'm telling you, it is such a great cream. So it's the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. They have another one that's a more intense one, but I love this one. I swear, everyone I've given it to, my mom, family members, they all are like, oh my gosh, can you get us more of that? I was like, I'll try. But it's really good stuff. So they have that. And then they came out with 2 new products. It's the Peptide Eye Recovery Cream, and it has some peptides in there. It has a lot of nutrients. It's supposed to help moisturize your eye, help it depuff, give it lots of vitamins that it needs, and it's really, really nice cream. So it comes in a little tube like that. And they're selling this on QVC right now. It goes for sale on July 24th. So if you guys want to catch it and try it out, if you are new to the brand and you're like, I just want to try a couple things, go on QVC. You get a really good deal. And I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed with the brand. I really do love it. I have been using them for so long. But that's the eye peptide cream, which is amazing. I swear, everything I have in my cabinet, there isn't anything I don't like. I went to London. Getting on a side tangent, you guys, I'm sorry. Went to London in February, and that's where the stuff is made, and they had like a whole, I think was it Harvey's that we went to? Mm-hmm. They had a whole thing. I went crazy. I was like shoveling stuff into my cart. I was like, please give me more Elemis stuff because it's so good. But they also have this Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. It's not a cream, it's not an oil, it's both. So it comes in this pump like this. My hands are going to be so moisturized after this video. But it's a creamy oil that you can put on. You can use it as a serum, you can use it as a night oil, you can put it under your moisturizer or alone. And it's, again, it just gives you lots of nutrients for the skin. It's really hydrating. It gives you all that moisture. When you wake up the next day, your skin looks very fresh, very dewy. It's not dry at all. I love this brand so much. So if you guys want to check that out, July 24th they have it. And then I usually get most of my Elemis stuff on their site or online. So I'll link to that below for you guys so you can check it out. So love that brand. And then my other skincare item I actually got in San Francisco. I go there all the time to visit family, and we go on Pier 39. And they have this brand called Liline. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Liline? I don't know. But it's this body care one, and it's such a cute shop in the Pier. If you guys go, it has really good stuff. But they have this Better Butter Cream. I got this set in frozen pear. And it smells like pears. It's so delicious. And it's a really good body cream. And they have deals to where you get like buy 2 get 2 free or something like that. But it's really good body butter. I'm really going to be hydrated. I'm using a lot of hydrating stuff right now. Thanks, Dallas. But it's a really good body butter. It's not too expensive. It's not greasy. It smells really good. They use pretty clean ingredients and stuff. And I think you can get it online. I'll try to research it for you guys because I got that in person in San Francisco. But they have all sorts of flavors and scents. They have body scrubs, lotions, bath gels, bath bombs, all sorts of stuff. It's kind of like Bath & Body Works, but with different flavors and scents. It's really, really good. So I love the frozen pear one. And then while we're on the scent thing, I buff my hands, hold on. While I'm on the scent thing, I went to Urban Outfitters. I was being nosy. I was like, oh, let me see what's in Urban Outfitters. And I was smelling perfumes because that's what I do. I'm nosy. They had this brand called the Matcha Perfume. This is 006. It's a really fresh perfume. It's only $18. And usually I'm like, oh, I like to make good investments in perfume that will last a long time. But this actually, for it being only $18, it lasts a really long time. And it smells really fresh. This one kind of has a, well, I sprayed a lot. It has kind of a fresh, clean scent. It smells a little bit like, I don't want to say grapefruit maybe, and a little bit of a light floral scent, but it's just very fresh. It's a perfect summery one. It just smells so delicious. It's clean. It's not heavy at all. It lasts all day. I put it on in the morning. You can still smell it at night. It's amazing. So it's called the Matcha. It looks like this. You can get at Urban Outfitters. And then I've got a makeup product. Oh, actually, one more skincare. Shea Moisture. You guys know I love to shop at Target. Hi, Target, my favorite store. If you guys have not stayed in tune yet, go to Target. Makeup Geek is now sold there. I don't know if anyone has looped you in or whatnot, but we're in 500 stores, and by next year we'll be in many, many more stores, so stay tuned for that. Lots of cool things coming out with them. But we launched recently, so several stores. I'll try to include the list below so you can check that out. We sell Makeup Geek products, so toot toot. Love you, Target. But they have this brand, Shea Moisture. It's been around for a long time. They came out with this coconut and hibiscus facial wipes. They smell so good. I've been using these for a while. I'm traveling right now. I took them with me. They get my skin really clean, but it doesn't strip it out at all, and it smells really, really good. So I'm obsessed with these right now. They're my face wipes that I use every single night, and I love them. It's the coconut and hibiscus one. And then I've got, for my brows, I'm not wearing this today because Jay did my makeup today, but on my day-to-day basis, I use the brand Senna. It's been around for a little bit, but they have really good brow products. I used Anastasia ones. I've used Too Faced. I've used several different brands of brow products, but I really like the Senna ones because they're very precise. They're not too creamy. They're a little bit drier, so they give you more of a controlled line. And then they have this one formula. It's called the Powder Brow, and it looks like this, and it's a very soft, let me show you guys. It's kind of like chalk. It's just a very soft finish. Do you see the lines right there like that? It's not a harsh line, so if you want to fill in your brows but you want it to look very natural and soft and you don't feel comfortable with powder, get these. It's a very cool formula. I get it on Amazon because it is kind of hard to find, but it's the Powder Brow. And then they have the Sketch one, which is really good too if you want a more strong line. Get that softer one, get the powder one. So I really like Senna's stuff. And then I have my Teasing Comb. This, I guess, would say kind of is my funky item. I'm sorry, you guys. I will come next month with a better one. But I got this while in Michigan. I went to a salon, had a blowout or whatever, and I was like, oh, I need some volume. My hair is so flat, so thin on top, so I always tease it. The higher the hair, the closer to God. So I got this pin comb. It's by Takano. And I'll try to find it on Amazon so you can try to get it on there because I got this in a salon, but it's a pin comb. And what's really cool, I won't do it now because I won't mess up my hair. You tease it and you literally just put it 1 or 2 times and it gives you like full on volume. Like you will be very close to God at this point with this comb. You literally just do a couple swipes and it gives you so much volume. It doesn't strip out your hair. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. You just gently comb it down a couple times. Works amazing. I don't know who thought of it, but it's such a cool product. It looks like bobby pins in there. Like that, a pin comb. It's amazing. And I think it was $14, so it wasn't expensive at all. So I love that. And then lastly, you guys ready for this little sneak peek? Did I say sneak peek? Sneak peek. That's why I have coffee, you guys. Okay. So MARSTE is getting ready to launch in a little over 6 weeks from now. Okay. It's been a lot of work going in the making of that, and I've been wearing this skirt nonstop since I got my production sample. So I wanted to do a little sneak peek for you guys, and I really am obsessed with this skirt. I absolutely love it. We did a shoot a couple days ago, and all the models that were wearing are like, oh my gosh, what is this fabric? It's so amazing. So I have this skirt from MARSTE here that I absolutely love. I'm obsessed with. We're starting with 2 colors, but it'll come out with more later on. I have the olive green one, but I love that it has the buttons down the side. So what's so cool about it is you can be super sexy, and you can unsnap them and be like, ba-bam! Got some legs showing. So you can unsnap it, have that. Or if you want to be like, not today, I'm going to be professional and a classy woman, then you can snap it all the way down. So it has lots of cool options with it. But the best part is the fabric. Let me show you guys. And I posted this on Instagram so you guys can see what it looks like. Do you see the waistline? This goes from size 0 to 22. Now I know a lot of you were saying we want to be a little bit bigger sizes. I promise you I will get to that just because of funding. In a startup company, it costs a lot to do that, so I will expand to bigger sizes in the very near future, but I promise you, even if you're 24 or 26, a lot of these have so much stretch. Try them because they may definitely fit. Like, I'm an 18 on bottom, but I wear the 12-14 skirt because it has so much stretch to it, so I definitely think it will fit a lot of you guys. But the waistband has a Spanx band in it, so it literally cinches you in at the waist, but it doesn't hurt. It's not constricting. It's so comfortable. Do you see how much stretch that has? And then the overall fabric of the skirt itself has a lot of stretch to it too. So it really hugs your curves, but it's holds you in super tight, so you don't have to wear any Spanx underneath. You don't have to wear any pantyhose, no nothing. You can literally just wear the skirt. It hides my dimples. It hides my whatever flaws underneath. It's amazing. And it's really comfortable. It's breathable. It's hot as hell in LA right now, and I will still wear this skirt, and it doesn't make me sweaty at all. It's such a good skirt. So that's the olive color. I know I'm all winded. I get so excited when I talk, and I talk so fast I forget to breathe, and I'm like, so now you guys, you always like, is Marlena okay? I'm like, yes, I'm okay, you guys. I just talk too much and I forget to breathe. Here's the black color. Isn't that beautiful? This is made in the US. It's made by a company that has awards for treating his staff amazing. It's a clean environment. I'm a huge supporter of just fair trade and people working that get paid decent wages and are in a safe environment. And so that was a big part of MARSTE that I really wanted, was something made here in the US if possible, and have it be in clean working environments. So that is the black skirt. So that lunch is pretty soon. I'm obsessed with that. So I'll give you more details on all of that when I do the lunch announcement video. So that is my current obsessions, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Come back soon. I'll give you an update on what's been going on in my life. A lot of crazy stuff, so I'll explain that in a bit, you guys. But take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.